Zimmer Biomet, a medical technology company with durable demand, but also a stock that has repeatedly disappointed investors who expected smooth compounding. Historically, Zimmer Biomet had the ingredients of a high-quality healthcare compounder: aging population, orthopedic procedure growth, strong brands in knees and hips, surgeon relationships, and recurring demand from joint replacement. But the stock has not behaved like a clean compounder. It has behaved more like a show-me turnaround stock. Let's start with the past. From the mid-2000s through the 2010s, Zimmer Biomet was often valued as a premium medtech name. The thesis was simple: people keep aging, joint procedures keep growing, and implants are mission-critical. But the historical mistake was assuming that demographics alone would create strong shareholder returns. The company faced integration complexity after the Biomet deal, supply chain and execution issues, competitive pressure, and periods where growth lagged peers like Stryker. That is why the chart shows multiple peaks followed by long valuation resets. The big lesson from the past is that quality of end-market demand is not enough. Zimmer Biomet needed better execution, innovation, commercial focus, and portfolio clarity. The 2022 ZimVie spin-off was part of that reset, separating the dental and spine businesses so Zimmer Biomet could focus more clearly on core orthopedics and musculoskeletal care. Now to the present. The stock is around $80, very close to the chart's $80.40 actual price, and far below the historical top ranges. That tells us the market is cautious, not enthusiastic. The company just reported Q1 2026 net sales of $2.087 billion, up 9.3% reported and 2.9% organic constant currency, with adjusted EPS of $2.09, up 15.5% year-over-year. It also raised 2026 adjusted EPS guidance to $8.40 to $8.55, while keeping organic constant currency revenue growth guidance at 1 to 3%. That is the key valuation debate. Earnings are improving, but revenue growth is still modest. Reuters highlighted that the stock sold off after the update because investors focused on the cautious revenue outlook, U.S. Salesforce transition disruption, and the loss of 2 large customer accounts. Looking forward, the estimates area on the chart is important. The normal value line rises into 2027 and 2028, meaning that if Zimmer Biomet delivers EPS growth, the stock could have meaningful upside from today's depressed price. But the market is not willing to pay a premium until it sees proof: stronger knee execution, better commercial productivity, successful innovation, and consistent organic growth. Zimmer Biomet is not priced like a broken company, but it is priced like a company that has lost investor trust. If management proves that the portfolio reset, robotics, smart implants, and commercial changes can produce durable growth, the stock can re-rate. If not, the low valuation may simply reflect a structurally slower medtech business. Let's go straight into the risks, because with Zimmer Biomet the main issue is not whether people will need hip and knee replacements. They will. The real risk is whether Zimmer Biomet can grow faster, execute better, and regain investor confidence after years of inconsistent performance. The biggest risk is slow organic growth. Q1 looked solid on the surface, but the company still kept its 2026 organic constant currency revenue growth outlook at only 1 to 3%. That is not a disaster, but for a medtech company with premium ambitions, it is not enough to force a major valuation re-rating by itself. The second major risk is the U.S. Salesforce transition. Reuters reported that management described 2026 as a transition year, with disruption from a multi-year U.S. sales model overhaul and the loss of 2 large customer accounts. That matters because orthopedic implants depend heavily on surgeon relationships, service levels, hospital coverage, and commercial execution. Another key risk is the knee business. Knees are one of Zimmer Biomet's most important categories, but Reuters noted that U.S. knee growth fell short of expectations. If Zimmer Biomet cannot improve knee momentum, competitors can keep taking mind share and market share. Innovation is also a double-edged sword. Zimmer Biomet is investing in robotics, smart implants, data, and AI-enabled surgery, including progress around ROSA Knee with Optimize and the Bose autonomous robotic total knee system. These are promising, but they also raise execution risk. New platforms must gain surgeon adoption, prove clinical value, and translate into revenue, not just investor presentations. Finally, there is leadership and credibility risk. The company announced that CFO Suketu Upadhyay will leave, with Paul Stellato named interim CFO. A CFO transition during a commercial reset adds uncertainty, especially when the market already wants proof of consistency. Zimmer Biomet's risk is not end-market collapse. The risk is execution. If growth stays slow, commercial disruption continues, or innovation fails to move the numbers, the stock can remain cheap for longer. Now the opportunity side, because Zimmer Biomet is not a high-growth glamour story, but the setup can still be attractive if execution improves from a depressed valuation base. In the short term, the biggest opportunity is EPS momentum. The company raised its 2026 adjusted EPS guidance to $8.40 to $8.55, while Q1 adjusted EPS grew 15.5% year-over-year. That matters because the stock is trading around $80, so investors are no longer paying a high multiple for perfection. If earnings keep moving higher, the valuation case becomes more interesting. The second opportunity is commercial productivity. Management is trying to reshape the U.S. sales model, and Reuters noted that productivity improved in territories that have already transitioned. If the disruption fades and the new model works, Zimmer Biomet could regain momentum without needing a dramatic market acceleration. Third, innovation can still change the narrative. Zimmer Biomet highlighted AI, robotics, smart implants, data, ROSA knee with optimized the G7 hip system and progress with the Mbo's autonomous robotic knee platform. If these products improve surgeon adoption and procedure share, the company can look less like a legacy implant maker and more like a modern orthopedic technology platform. Long-term, demographics remain powerful. Aging populations, obesity trends, active lifestyles, and demand for mobility all support joint replacement volumes. That does not guarantee premium valuation, but it gives Zimmer Biomet a stable demand foundation. The ZimVie spin-off also matters. By separating dental and spine, Zimmer Biomet created a cleaner business focused on orthopedics and musculoskeletal care. A more focused portfolio can help management allocate capital, simplify execution, and improve investor understanding. So the upside framework is clear. Stabilize the sales force, improve knee execution, convert innovation into growth, and compound EPS from a low valuation. If Zimmer Biomet proves consistency, the stock does not need heroic assumptions to work. The analyst rating picture for Zimmer Biomet is very balanced, and honestly that fits the stock perfectly. We have 2 strong buy ratings and 6 buy ratings, so there is still a bullish camp. Those analysts likely see the lower valuation, improving EPS, innovation pipeline, robotics opportunity, and long-term orthopedic demand as enough reason to be constructive. But the biggest group is clearly hold, with 17 hold ratings. That tells us the street does not hate Zimmer Biomet, but it is waiting for proof. Analysts want to see better organic growth, less commercial disruption, stronger U.S. knee performance, and more consistent execution before giving the stock a higher multiple. The bearish side is small but not zero, 1 sell and 1 strong sell. That matters because it shows there are still concerns that Zimmer Biomet may remain a slow-growth medtech laggard rather than become a true compounder again. Analyst sentiment is cautious, not broken. The stock has upside if management delivers, but the street is not willing to give Zimmer Biomet the benefit of the doubt yet.